Hello, Lisa and I just got done watching the movie Wonder. This movie came out in 2017. It is rated PG. It is a drama that is 1 hour and 53 minutes long. The premise of this movie is, after being homeschooled all his life, a boy with facial differences attends a traditional school where he must find friends amongst his bullies. I thought this was done really, really well.
Nice feel-good movie.
It is. It's a feel-good movie. There's some parts, you know, where you're just kind of like,
drama, like,
but not like to where like I didn't tear up in it. So
close. It's right on the edge.
It's not too dramatic, I would say. It's a light drama.
It's tasteful.
I would call it a light drama.
Yeah.
It is rated PG, so it's appropriate for any age. And honestly, I feel like this would just be a good film for young people to see in general.
Well, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I think diversity movies and movies that show diversity are wonderful for everybody, really. So I would highly recommend this. I'll put a link to this movie below. If you haven't seen this yet, please take a moment, take a couple hours out of one of these days that you have where you have a couple hours to spare and sit down and try to watch it, because I think you might enjoy it.
Oh, it's from 2017. I thought
like I said, no, 2017, so it's not a new movie by any means, but it must not have been at the theater for very long, because I don't even remember it back in 2017 being at the theater.
I don't think we were doing theater.
Well, no, but I mean, I don't even remember trailers or anything like that for it back then. So
yeah, darn good movie.
Yeah, and if you have seen the movie Wonder, let me know what you thought of it. Did you enjoy it as much as we did? It's not one I'd watch again, but I felt like the movie itself was great. The performances were great. The casting was great. The story was great.
Yeah, we gave it a double thumbs up.
I would give this a 5 out of 5 stars for a soft drama.
Yeah, 5 out of 5,
Yep. So, this would be a good one.
It's a good one.
Thank you so much for watching this review, and feel free to subscribe if you want to stick around and see what else is going to happen. You never know. I'll review most things I come across. So you never know what you'll see here. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.